Alright, so today we're taking a look at the Panasonic UT670 IP phone. This is their latest IP desk terminal that is actually running Android. It's a full screen, full touchscreen user interface, 7 inches, and I'm going to take you through a few of the menu options as well as what a basic call would look like and just navigating through this phone. So as you can see, this is just the main home screen menu on the device. Within each menu, you can pull up a sub menu just with a touch key, and I'll show you a few how that works with other apps. Let's go with the phone. Within the phone, you can check your contacts, call logs, and use the touchscreen to place a call. I'll actually show you what the speakerphone sounds like just with an automated message.
The person at extension
And you can
5, 6,
lower the
7
volume,
is
raise the
unavailable.
volume,
Please leave
use
your
these
message
touch buttons
after
to
the tone.
transfer or
When
see
done,
who's on your
hang
other
up
call
or
line. I'll go ahead and end that call. But as well as back to the main menu, home screen, you can just pull across and see a bunch of other applications or widgets, mind you, that you might use on this phone. There is a network camera application where you can utilize or monitor IP cameras. We currently don't have any set up right now, but I think you can monitor up to 16 different IP cameras, and that also can be utilized in the applications that can be developed for this device. Now I want to take you through what the inputs and outputs of this phone are. On the side here, you'll actually see that there is an SD card slot right here, and above there is a USB 2.0 jack. Now on the back side, you can see where you have, if you do want to power the phone with a power block, that is an option. The phones do not ship with a power block. So in this model does have the PC loop through. Only one model of Panasonic terminal, the 113, this one right here, does not have the PC loop through. On this side you have your headphone connections with your electronic hook switch auxiliary port. And beyond that, all other functions of the phone are through the touchscreen menu. And of course the browser works really well. Obviously our homepage is ABP Tech. I would recommend checking that out to look at these Panasonic peripherals and a bunch of the other IP devices we have. But just back to the phone, there is a host of menu options and a couple of tips on this device. You can configure it with a web interface, but you do need to turn that on first in the device. So there are some intricacies that you do have to get familiar with this Panasonic phone, but still probably the best touchscreen interface, the most responsive that I've ever had to work on. And there is a custom API or open API for developers to create custom apps for this phone. I would say that it can be anything from hotel rooms to order room service, or maybe schedule a wake-up call, or even rental car companies to check your flight status while you're waiting on returning a car, or maybe placing online food orders or something like that with a food vendor. So there are limitless opportunities with this device, and it really is a sleek executive level phone just with SIP offerings, so you can register it to any SIP PBX, as well as it's certified for BroadSoft and Asterisk, so a lot of options right there. So just given with the complete lineup of Panasonic phones, from the 113, 123, 133 as we see here, and the 136, you have a nice offering for a really good brand name that people know and trust. So thank you guys for checking this out, and we'll have some more information on this device plus others and new things to come from Panasonic.